Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to manage notifications on the Walmart app. Many people receive too many alerts from shopping apps, and knowing how to control them can save time and reduce distractions. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom right. Then scroll down and tap on Communications. Here, you will see several categories of notifications such as order updates, account changes, pharmacy updates, marketing, and product feedback. Finally, choose the category you want to manage, tap on it, and simply turn off the push notifications you no longer want to receive. This way, you can stay updated on what matters most while reducing unnecessary alerts. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching.